Today, I'd like to introduce the quick release vest catcher for the plate carrier. As you see, we have various sizes. You could choose one of it, depending on your carrier size. This is a small size. It is for one layer of 40mm webbing. Here is a medium size. You could attach with 2 pieces of 40mm webbing. If you want to have a wider than medium size, you could choose these. It could be connected to 2 pieces of 15mm webbing or 3 pieces of 25mm webbing. The total length of large size is 140mm. As you see, all parts has left and right side. We already marked left and right on the parts to help your vendor to avoid wrong direction attachment. You could see the arrow mark on it. It tells you which direction you have to pull for releasing. There is a hole to attach a puller, which helps easy handling. Now, I will demonstrate how you could use it on your plate carrier. Here is an example of plate carrier with Woojin quick release buckles on. You assemble the male into female by sliding before you wear a plate carrier. As you see how easy it is to take off your plate carrier with these quick release buckles. Simply grab the puller and pull it down. Here is another style of plate carrier. You release the waist first, and then you release the shoulder as the next step.